Hi Neha. I was just doing photo shoot and I thought I should just go live. Okay, one second. Yeah. Okay, hello everybody. Okay, I can see 12. Ta-da! So here's my new look. How do you like it? So last two lives I was doing and then my palla was falling off, so I thought like just tie it up with a belt so I can move around, and just a denim jacket on top of it. Don't brighten it, it shines on my face. Yeah. Hi Sulagna, how are you? Hi. Thank you so much Jyoti for the encouragement. I just felt I should do it, so Vandana, thank you so much. I don't know how I look, but I feel powerful, I feel great, I feel free, and most of all, I'm saving a lot of time. So previously my hair was so frizzy and wavy, and then I have to shampoo, I have to blow dry it or straighten it, and it takes about 2 hours if I have to do shoot or go outside. Now I don't do anything, just wash your hair and then go ahead wherever you want to go. Thank you everybody for your love and support. I was just shooting some of the cotton saris and some patola saris that came, so I thought I'll just show it around, and then I can download this recording and then I can go ahead and then upload it on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube as well. Thank you Jyoti, thank you so much. Ananya, hello Ananya, welcome to my live. This is like not planned, so I did not inform anyone in my WhatsApp or nowhere, so I was wondering only 2 or 3 people will join in, but I'm surprised 27 people are watching. Okay, so let's wait for a few more people to join in and I'll just start. Hi Ibim Nungshi, first Meitei joining in, welcome. I hope you're watching from Imphal. Okay. So what do you want to see first? Just comment. What do you want to see? And then if I have it, I will just display and show it around. So just comment what would you like to see. Yeah, me opening the sari and then show it to you. Hi Varsha, welcome. Hi Sneha. I hope you're doing good. Hi Punit Seema. I think your name is Seema. Patola, the one you put on WhatsApp status. Okay, the one that I was showing on the video. Okay, I'll do that, Neha. I have another one also. I have scheduled to shoot it for tomorrow. Okay. Hi Shitul, thank you for joining in. Just do me a favor, just like this video as much as you can. Just click on the emojis and then just share it to your friends so that they can also come in and then watch. Angum, Idem sheet. Patula, I have in cotton, yes, cotton, and I have few in silks also. So these are single ikat patola. I'm not touching double ikat as of now. The price range is above 70,000-80,000, so I'm not touching that. I have single ikats, price range about 11,000 to about 30,000. Hi Ruchira, how are you? You have been so busy these days. You have not even sent me a hi message on WhatsApp. I'm really angry. Okay, Swarnali, muslin silk. I don't have any muslin silk to show you today, but maybe next time. Shabnam, hello, welcome. Okay. So I'll show for Neha exclusively one silk patola. This is a price range at 24,000. This is very pretty in multicolor. I mean, all the colors you have it here. So I'll display it here. This is the palla. It's they call it semi patan patola. Okay, that's the body. That's the border. Open it up. The blouse piece of this is plain blue. This blue is little light blue, not a navy dark blue. And that's my kiddo. Say hello to everybody.
Hey.
Hey. So that's the first silk patola. 24,000 range. So you can WhatsApp me. There are several range about starting from 10,000 to 15,000 or 20,000. You can WhatsApp me if interested. I can show you more. So that's the close-up. If you can see the border and body. The work is very, very intricate. And the fabric is good. Hi Prusya. Yeah, I'll show you some of the Nepal sarees. It was ranging from 6,000 to 15,000. The ones I posted, I got 5 sarees to launch. So those were around that range. I'll show you around.
Mama, watch me.
Watch you? You watch me. That's the first silk patola. Let me just fold it because I don't want to fold it later on. That's a lot of hard work that I have to do later on. While I fold it, I can chat with you guys. Hi Shamubi. I'm sorry, I checked for the 2 cotton sarees and I think he got delayed because of lockdown. So he will be shipping out today, he said. One of the sari is out of stock and one of the sari is available. I think the light green or sea green was not available. I will message you. I completely forgot to message you. So you'll get the other one, and for the sea green I can refund you, or you can choose any alternative sari. Thank you, sweetheart. Hi Preeti. How is your Saturday going on? Chai time. Hi Shruti. Thank you Maya. Hi Devyani. Okay, so if I fold it as and when I do it, then I don't have much of work later on. Otherwise all the saris are piled up. So it's really complicated.
Mama, watch me.
Watch you. I'll show you cotton patola. Then after that I'll move on to few of the Nepal saris. This is cotton patola. This is I really do not know the exact price range because I don't keep a track of it. On the website it's uploaded. It's about 4,000 to 5,000 range. So whoever is interested, grab a screenshot of this, or you can just visit the website and you can see the actual price.
Mama, show me.
It's ranging to
Show me, Mama.
4,000 to 5,000. Yes, I'm showing it to you. Can you see? So this is the palla. Blouse piece is again same plain color. This bluish gray color. Okay. So the body is contrast and the border is contrast for this one. I think 5,000 range. 5,800 was the range. And that's the body. All throughout it's the same pattern. That's the palla. So elephant motifs on the body, the border, and this one is plain with a geometric pattern. So this one is red over here, and this is yellow and white, and this is blue. Border is blue, and the palla has the same border motif, elephant. So this is cotton patola from Surendranagar, Gujarat, completely hand woven. Hi Sumita, hi Rashmi, Saswati, hi. Rupa Ghosh, hello, welcome. So let me just fold it. Hi Pooja, how are you? Today you're not busy, you're catching me on live because I did not inform you that I'll be doing live, so you're free today. Where's your little one? Okay. The first one was that. Second one. I'm so happy to see known people watching me. Known in the sense I have never met you guys, but I feel like I have known you for ages because the way you interact. Hi Deepa, how are you? Okay, this is the second one. This is very nice combination. The color is darker than the previous combination. Previous combination was a light color shade. This is darker red with a darker navy blue. So that's a palla and the body. Again, the motifs are similar to the earlier one, except the body pattern is different. Wow, Pooja, hats off to you. Your guest will be angry. Where is my host? Busy on WhatsApp or Facebook? That's great, Deepa. I'm also doing fine. I'm rocking life. It keeps throwing lemons and then I keep making lemonades because that's what we can do. Hi, Genevieve. Thank you so much. I don't know if I have shown this clearly. I have just folded it. That's the body. That's the border, has a bird, parrot, and a elephant. And from far, it's like this. That's palla. Again, the blouse piece is same, plain color, blue color, same as this color blouse piece. Same range, 5,000 to 6,000 range. Hi Shweta, I'm so sorry regarding that Paithani sari. I'm still trying the color combination that you want. Weaver said that it will be ready in 4 to 5 days, but I just don't want to confirm it to you right now because if he comes back and say it's not ready, then you and I will be disappointed. So I'll confirm to you in 4 to 5 days when the piece is ready. Okay, I have not ignored your messages. I'm working on it. Hi Lavanya, welcome. Hi Sandhya. Okay, this is the third one. Again, cotton patola from Gujarat. That's the palla section. Body. This one does not have the body like the earlier two. The border, it just has plain blue and red. That's it. And the body work starts. This is cotton, okay? Price is around 5 to 6,000 range. The blouse color for this is the contrast, this red or maroon color. These are very comfortable, very lightweight, dress well. Like this. Hi Soma. Yeah, Shweta, I have to do it, right? Because you have put in so much trust, so I need to fulfill those. Otherwise, what am I here for, right? Thank you, Divyani. Keep clicking the emojis, okay? Even if you don't like the sari or even if you don't like my look, it's okay. But keep hitting on the emojis, the heart emojis and the and the like emojis, because when you do that, Facebook thinks that I'm getting famous. So my video will go to many people. Yeah, thank you. See, it doesn't cost anything, right? You just have to keep clicking on it. I know, Priyanka, you will like everything that I do because beauty lies in the eyes of beholder. So whatever I do, you love me so much that you will like my look. How much are for those patola, please? Those are cottons. Cottons ones are 5,000 to 6,000 range. There are different, even 4,500 was also there. So you can grab a screenshot or you can just WhatsApp me later on and I can share all the different varieties. Thank you, Jiu. I just tried something different. Uber cool and smart. Yeah, I wanted to be like rocking this look, so I don't know, I'm just trying. Before I die, I want to try everything and I shall have no regrets in life. Hi Chandrika, I hope you received your saris. I sent it on Thursday. Maybe you will get it by next week. Yeah, Deepa, I know I keep surprising people, so you will get to see very different looks of mine as I age. I'll keep experimenting my look. This is a very simple patola cotton. Doesn't have any work on the body, just the palla. This is only 4,000 range. So it has only the work on this 1, 2, 3, 4 stripes, and the body is all multicolor stripes. So something different, someone who wants to wear it for office or formal look and just flaunt it on the palla, you can do that. I would wear this to an office with a blazer and just a sling bag. It will look so sophisticated. Yeah, anything for stripes. So this is about 4,000 range, again in cotton. Blouse color, I forgot. The blouse color might be this, any of this color combination, this red or this blue. Hi Malini. Okay.
Can I name the saris again?
No, you cannot name the saris because it already has the name. Yeah, baby. What happened? It's broken?
It fell off her shirt. Like,
Why did you do that?
she didn't take it off. It just fell off.
Okay. So I have many cotton patola, but I'm not showing all because time is limited. I'll show one of each varieties that I want to share. Someone was asking Nepal saris, so I'll just show one. This is my favorite color. The color is dual tone. It has a black as a warp, and maroon color is the weft. So it gives you a dual tone of maroon and black, coffee color, brown. Yeah. So material is not that thick. It's very comfortable, light, and the material is cotton, but it has some shine to it. Okay, so it's not like the cottons that we get here in India. These are made in Nepal, so their cotton yarns are different. So some are asking me, how does it feel? Is it thick? No, it's not thick. And these are all hand woven. So they have put in zari with the thread here motif, so that's why the shine, you can see the shine here. And all hand woven, not a jacquard or a machine, so you can see the threads here. There is no cut work, no cutting anywhere. Very intricate work. I have shared how these saris are made on my WhatsApp. Those who do not have my WhatsApp access, you can just ping me, then I can save your number, and then you can see all the stories on how the saris are woven, etc. on my WhatsApp. This beautiful color. Someone booked it just now, but I'm trying to get more because I'm in love with this fabric and the color combination, especially the borders. comes little short, okay? So knowing Nepal, and then we, you know, we are little kind of a short, so I measured it. It was about 41 to 42 inches width. Normally in India, the sarees that we get here is 44 to 46 inches width. So those who really want it can buy this and then attach a fall from this waist, so they can tuck it inside. Otherwise, it's okay for people like me. I'm 5, so they can wear this. It comes with blouse piece. So these are Nepal. I'll just show one because I have already uploaded on my Facebook and Instagram. So those who want to see more, they can see over there. So I just wanted to show how it looks like on the video. Hi Asha, how are you? Oh, sorry, I did not mention the price. This was 12,200. 12,200 for this sari, completely hand woven. What do you want to see next? Maybe this. So this is Khandwa sari, Khandwa silk from Orissa. Hi Purnima, thank you so much. I know you're just complimenting me to make me feel good. It's okay, I accept it because I always feel myself great. Thank you so much, Asha. Okay, this one is black ikat, okay, Khandwa silk ikat. Someone ordered this today. I have to ship it on Monday. I will just show it. That's the palla. Simple plain palla, not much of work. Then lotus, that's a lotus motif. So it has red and pink lotus on the body, and this does not come with blouse piece, so you have to wear a contrast separate blouse, black or pink or red, and then it will perfectly go like this. I don't know, I forgot the price. It must be around 5,000 to 6,000. It's listed on website again. 5,800 maybe, if I remember correctly. I can't keep track of all the price for all the pieces. I am so sorry. Thank you, Dr. Archana. Thank you for joining in. So this is Khandwa silk ikat sari. The fabric is mulberry silk, 3-ply. I am lost holding this. Any other color in this black sari? Yes, one green color is currently in weaving. It will be completed in 3 to 4 days. So if you want to see more colors, just send me on WhatsApp and I will share more colors. I'm taking this opportunity to fold it right away and then I chat with you, because I don't want to pile up all the saris and then I fold it later on. So doing 2 things at a time. Hi Bubbly. Hi Sandhya, welcome. Hi Rekha, welcome. Thank you so much, Asha. I have cotton khadis to show today. There was one parcel which came, right? So I have lots of cotton. The one that I'm wearing, very comfortable for office, just a border, and you can do anything at home. Also you wear it and then you prepare tea, cook food, do all the chores. It's comfortable. You can see this. It's gray color stripes. 1200. Price range is 1200. It has beautiful small tassels over there. Hi Minakshi, hi Sharmi, hi Nupur, welcome. Hi Bina. Okay. These ones have a bigger border. And these ones were only for 1000. The batch that I'm showing today, it is only for 1000 rupees cotton for your office wear. So grab a screenshot and send it over. There are multiple pieces of the same color combination. So that's the tassels, beautiful tassels. I like this kind of tassels. And it has a bubblegum pink, very light pink, and motif is almost not visible, like very sober, subtle motifs here, and this side also. Big border. Color is gray. Is this gray? I don't know, I'm very bad in colors. Gray, brown, brownish gray, whatever you see on the screen. So that's the first one, cotton khadi. Hi Sonali, welcome to my live. I was about to say welcome to my show. Okay. I'm just figuring out how this Facebook Live works. Hi Shamobi, you do one thing, you just send me a screenshot of this because I'll forget it if you book it right now, because I don't want to take any bookings during the show. So just grab a screenshot and then send it on WhatsApp, and then I'll take your booking. There are multiple pieces, so don't worry that it will get sold out. We have about 10-20 pieces of the same sari. Hi Dolly D, nice to see you finally on my live. See, I'm jumping like a small baby saying your name. Hi Sandhya, I'm very good. How are you? Hi Urmi, thank you so much. Shiny, seeing your live first time. Nice collection. Thank you so much. I had a school friend named Shiny from Kerala, so your name reminded me of her. Is it available to deliver your product in Bangalore, and how to book? Yes, it's available to deliver all over the world, and you can book it by just sending a message on my WhatsApp, and I will share all the details. You can pay online or you can pay COD. COD is little, the courier charges is little higher, like 50 or 60 rupees. Otherwise you can book by COD also. I think this one I showed it last time also, black and orange. This material is a little thicker than the other one. These are all office wear range. Yes, Shiny, COD is available. You can grab a screenshot of the sari that you like and WhatsApp me. My WhatsApp number is written there on my page, and you can do the booking. Hi Sandhya, thank you so much. Hi Vanidhi. Yes, COVID pandemic has taught me so much. We can't sit idle and then, you know, get frustrated with the situation, so take advantage of it and then back in action. What to do, life is teaching all of these. Thank you so much for joining in, Vanidhi. I hope you're doing good. Pooja, yes, please do. Please wear it, and then I request you to share a video also. A little 30 seconds to 60 seconds video, so I can play around with it and put a nice music and then flaunt it that my friend is wearing my sari. Yes, Shamavi, I'm sharing all. I'll be sharing all those cotton khadis. 1,000 range only for office wear. Very soft for office, and then for this season also. Those are very good. So you can grab 2-3 of them. Even if you want to gift it to your friends, you can gift it. The same range that I'm showing. This is 1,000 only. Very nice collection. I don't want to do photo shoot of these because these are a lot, and then I can't spend time on doing photo shoot. This is a very nice fish with this Rudraksh or star motif and a temple border here. This is a turquoise, and this is a yellow, mustard yellow, kind of olive green or mustard yellow, a little bit in that between. These are 1,000 range. So Pooja, do one thing, bring your kiddos along, come to Gurgaon, and then I will do your photo shoot and you be my model. How about that? Vanidhi, yes, these are Bengal cotton khadi, 1,000 rupees only, the today batch that I'm showing. These are all soft cotton, good for casual wear, daily wear or office wear. Hi Divya, welcome. Thank you everyone, whoever is clicking on that hearts. I feel good and motivated and energized. Thank you so much. Keep doing that. Thank you. So I'll show quickly. This is very nice. Purple with the green combination. Very unusual combination. So that's a palla. And that's the body. Again, the border pattern is same with the fish. These are big borders for people who like big borders. The festival season is also coming, Rakhi is also coming, so whoever want to grab it for their family members or for gifting purpose, anyone's birthday, you can grab this. They'll be super happy with them. So I kind of like this color, pink purplish color. And that's a close-up. And it has temple border here. So this is darker green, olive green, and this is purplish pink. Lavender's a little darker than the lavender. Grab a screenshot and Vanidhi, I'll share the this photographs on your WhatsApp. I have your WhatsApp number after this video. After this live video also, this video will be on my Facebook account, so you can see the recording also. Whoever has missed out the earlier sarees, you can watch the recordings because they will be up there. So if I fold it like this, I save a lot of time. I know Pooja asked me about it. I have 3-year-old and 7-year-old, so I know what you're going through. But it's worth it. All the challenges that they give you, they make us stronger than what we really think. I think, okay, this is kind of a little off combination than the earlier one, but borders are same. Color is biscuit color, beige, and orange and pink, orange and pink border. This is again very sober for office. If I were working, I would have worn this to office. Very light. So anyone who wants to grab a screenshot, they can grab 1,000 rupees. And that's the close-up. This is biscuit color, darker cream. And this is pink with the darker pink. peach with the darker pink. Yes, I'll do that. I'll share the videos or the pictures on my WhatsApp status also. So these are all 1000 range. For people who are not aware of my WhatsApp, you can save my number. Just say hi so that I can save your WhatsApp number, because I don't I'm not that active on Facebook and Instagram. I'm very much active, like 200% active on my WhatsApp status. So most of my sales are done via WhatsApp status only. Like most of the time, like 90% of the time. Hi Anessa, how are you? Bhavna, welcome. Yes, Vanity, these are very pretty. You can buy like 4 or 5 of them, and then you can keep gifting to your friends, like including me. You can gift one of these to me, even if I sell these sarees. So what's the harm in getting gift from you? So yellow or orange with the pink, and this is gray, elephant gray color. Again, very office color. All of these are office collection. Some people ask me what happened to my office collection. You have stopped cotton. Are you doing only silk, Kanjivaram silk, Pochampally silk? I'm like, yeah, silk is keeping me busy these days. So a little bit of cotton for office going people. Is this sari in small border? Yeah, same fabric we had in small border last week, 2 weeks back. So you can scroll to my profile, you can see the previous live, and those had small borders, like half of this border, not this as big as this one. Hi Dipti. Hi Rekha, welcome. I think the border is the same, only the color combination I'm showing, okay? All the pattern. This is beautiful, beautiful. I don't know how to explain the color. It's a dual tone of a blue and a purple. Not onion skin also, but very pretty color. So it's a combination of this blue and this pink, and then it makes this one. So you can grab a screenshot. I'll just quickly show the others also. Let's take a break. I have more cotton khadi. I'll show you this amazing piece. This is going to US, but I wanted to show you before I ship it on Monday. Look at this beauty. So anyone can type in what weave is this or what sari is this, whoever knows. Beautiful color combination. I'm in love with this. Look at that. And look at the spark on my face. So this is Moirangpi from Manipur, and these are all hand woven, and the fabric is mulberry silk, pure mulberry silk. The range is about 24,000, 24 to 25,000, but the fabric is like divine. It's heaven. Look at the color combination. Pink, baby pink with the black border. That's Moirangpi. We call this motif Safi Lanpi. It has a GI tag for the motifs as well as for the sari. So those temple borders are very different from the temple borders that you get from other states like West Bengal, and you have Ponduru Khadi, you have Orissa. So their temple border finishes off here. So in Moirangpi, our temple borders goes up till here, like this sharp. That's the differentiation between Moirangpi and other state saris. You get these kind of saris from Bangladesh also, but the motifs and the temple borders are different, because Manipuris who have migrated to Bangladesh, they also started weaving Moirangpis. They call it Moirangpi only, but the motifs and these borders are different. This is the exclusive piece. Beautiful. Hi Shikha. Yeah, these saris are around 23 to 24,000. And I have one in cotton. I'll show you that. Let me just fold this. So different color combinations are also there, whatever is in stock. So you can WhatsApp me if you want to see more colors, more varieties, more fabrics of particular weave. Then I can show you all of those. Hi Saswati. Hi Chitra. Thank you so much, Shiny. You can just send me a hi on my WhatsApp and then I'll save your number. Hi Shushma. Hi Rinku. Okay, cotton one I'll show you. This is lemon yellow color. Hi Aparna. Hi Smita Di, how are you? How was your birthday? I saw the pictures, amazing. You're getting younger and younger day by day. What are you eating? I'm getting older here in the last 2 years lockdown, and then you're getting younger and younger. This is floral border. So when you say temple border, only till here temple border, the cost for only temple border is lesser, but when it's added up with this floral border, because all handwork with the extra weft, the price goes up. So only this temple border ranges about 5,000 range. Once the border is added on this top and the bottom part, the price goes up to 10,000, 11,000. And that's the palla. We call this Angom Mayek in Manipuri. This is one of the very old motifs that they used to do. A very traditional old Manipuri motif. Angom Mayek. It's kind of a flower. It's cotton. The fabric is cotton. The weave is Moirangpi from Manipur state. Yes, Manipur today, everyone is clapping about Manipur because our girl got silver medal, so everyone is talking about Manipur. And here I'm talking about saris. I'm just trying to fold this. Thank you, Smita. Yellow one is very beautiful. Thank you so much. It means a lot. When you comment, it really means a lot. Now I'm taking a break from Moirangpi, and then I'm going to show you a chicken curry. This is in semi-Georgette, very nominal, reasonable range. For people, for beginners who start wearing sari, they can't wear linen or silk. For beginners, this is beginner friendly, drapes it well. Price is also pocket friendly. And mostly for younger generation, like 25, below 25. Starting from 18, they can start learning wearing saris, this kind of fabrics. And then they can upgrade it to cotton and linen. My sister still does not wear linen because she thinks it's very bulky and she can't carry it, so she wants light color. So this is all handwork chikankari from Lucknow. Price is only 2200, 2200. There are several colors in this motif. There are about 20 colors, different colors. Whatever color you want, blue, black, pink, yellow, whatever color you name it, those are there. So these are the pattern. The border at the bottom has big, and the border on the upper part is very small, thin border. Yes, chikankari from your favorite state, Pooja. Whenever I post chikankari, your heart starts beating up. Vanidhi, I did show one of the Nepal sari. I didn't share rest of it. So again, I'll share the recording if you missed the Nepal sari. I just show one of the maroon color sari. Hi Soma, how are you? Again, the same pattern in lavender color. And this is bubblegum pink, rose pink, very light pink for summer. There's still shades. Hi Uma. Okay, one jamdani I'll show you. This is Bengal jamdani, hand jamdani. So you can see the reverse. This does not have any cut work. This all done by hand. Base is black color with the orange and pink contrast. 3500 is the price. So the palla has all work, flowers, and the border has this big flowers, so it's almost covered. From the bottom part also the flower is big, and the upper part also, and in the middle there is small flower booty. So the entire complete sari is covered with all the motifs, so it gives you a feel of full work sari. And that's a blouse piece, contrast orange color. How I'm keeping it up. $3,500. So it's pure soft cotton with all over jamdani. Full jamdani on the palla and on the borders. Very light. Hello Uma. Hi Sanchita. Hi Swati. Okay, so I'll come back to my cotton khadi. Only few left. I think I have shown the colors. I quickly show like this. Green, light green with the blue border and the palla stripes. Again, purple color combination. I think I have already shown this, or maybe little color combination different. Purple with the green. I'll share again on my WhatsApp, so whoever missed that. Yes, Uma, I don't know, I was lucky. I got this denim crop top from somewhere, like on the street shops. It was only 350 rupees, and then I grabbed it. It was one unique piece. You can't find it anywhere else, and I'm wearing it almost with all the saris, whether it's silk, cotton, patola, whatever you name it. I love wearing this. It gives a very sporty kind of a look. It goes with my hair that is no longer there, so I want to give a very tough look here. This color I have not shown, but it's very pretty color for office. What do you call this color? Navy blue. Is it navy blue? It's very beautiful color. Red with the blue combination. Office going people should take this one. Very beautiful color. Like this. Smita Di, thank you so much. Nobody is more smarter than you. The way you dress up, I really admire. Yes. What's the price of this? Uma, the cotton khadi that I'm showing, this range is only 1,000 rupees. So whatever colors that I have shown, you can WhatsApp me, and then I can share more colors that's available only for 1,000 rupees. Soft cotton, good for office wear. Where is my chai? Papa did not give me chai. Ask Papa, where is Mama's chai? This is mustard yellow. Oh, blue, dark blue. Yes, Uma, you can book it. You can WhatsApp me. I'll share all the details of the sari and how do you pay online or COD. We can take the booking on my WhatsApp.
There's still some in the pot, so you can pour some in the cup.
Thank you so much. That's a mustard yellow with the blue combination. Thank you, Smita Di. Uma, you can find my number on any of the old posts. You click on my Facebook page name, Arya Ethnic. You go through any of the old posts. There are links given for my WhatsApp. And WhatsApp number is given, so you can just click on that. Hi, I don't know how to pronounce your name. Sorry, R-I. Ri or Rai? Yeah, this is a beautiful color. And this one, I think I already showed this one also. The first one that I have shown. Very sober, subtle color for office. And Ries. Nepal sari, I'll show another one. The blue one, it has more work for Vani Di, because Vani Di missed out the first Nepal sari. This is blue. The weaving is done with the cotton thread along with the zari, so it's giving shine like this. Alright. The palla is full work. This is palla section, all done by hand weaving, and that's the body. This sari is little shorter because we people are short, so it's 41 to 42 inches width. And it comes perfectly fine for my height. My height is only 5. But people who are taller, who wants to grab this beautiful piece, they can add a fall on the upper side so they can tuck it on the waist part, waist area. Like this. This is 14,000 range, 14,500 range, because it has heavy work. More work on the bottom over here and full work over here. So those with the simple work, only 1 or 2 line, those are around 6,000 to 7,000 range. So the price depends on the work, how intricate it is. More Jamdani, Chandrika. I have more colors on Jamdani. You just WhatsApp me, I'll share more. There were sky blue, there were red, white, yellow was also there. About 5-6 colors were there in the cotton Jamdani. Hi Gayatri. Hi Devi, Debrani, Lavanya. Lavanya, that's not the Lavanya that you're looking. I'll show some of the cotton suits. These are from Rajasthan. There are many options, so whoever wants cotton 3-piece suit, they can. What's that mean? That's the body. Comfortable for summer. That's the print.
Summer?
Summer. Now it's summer.
Oh.
It's cotton, soft cotton. That's the dupatta. Again cotton. It also comes in chiffon and kota doria fabric also. Price range is about 1,000 to 1,500 depending on the material. So these are all unstitched. That's dupatta. That's the bottom. And that's the top. So it's a 3-piece suit, cotton. So they have in different material. Chanderi also there, Maheshwari is also there. Then Ajrak is also there. So if you want more of cotton suits, even Jamdani, there were a couple of suit material. So you can check those also. Hi Aparna, how are you? It's been a long time. Hi Vanita, you're late today. It's already what, 40 minutes? I'm about to wrap up. You're just joining in. Hi Radhika. This was a surprise Facebook live. I was just doing sari photo shoot and then I'm like, okay, I'm already ready, so why not do a live? I did not inform anyone. Dhruv Kanya. Okay, I'll share on your WhatsApp. The Ajrak cotton suit piece are also there, and then model silk suit piece are also there. I'll share more. I hope you got your mekhla chadar. How was it? Have you received it? You haven't updated me. You got the mekhla chadar or not? Okay. I have more Assam saris coming up. Maybe I'll do live next weekend on Assam Gamucha sari. Many people have been asking Gamucha sari. This is Assam Kaziranga cotton. There are about 10 different colors in this Kaziranga, all hand woven. Yes, Dhruv, so if you got this mekhla chadar, if you have stitched it already, you can share a picture, because I would love to see your picture in mekhla chadar. I know you look gorgeous in them. Hi Debrani, please specify what kind of a soft cotton you're looking for. Soft cotton in Bengal, soft cotton from Tamil Nadu side, or from Gujarat side, or from Madhya Pradesh. So if you specify that, I'll be able to help you more, because there are lots of varieties. I can't share all. So if you specify, it makes my job easier. This is cotton Kaziranga. Cotton Kaziranga, Gujarat. Okay, I'll share more of the soft silk. I think kind of a model silk on your details. So do message me on Messenger, Facebook Messenger, or my WhatsApp, and then I'll share more. I'll show last final for today one of the Kashmir needlework sari. Then we can wrap up for today, and then I'll keep some more for next weekend. Let's see. wanted one. These are the colors I have. Which color you wanted? This is gorgeous color. This is Kashmir needlework, Sojni work. On pure thread silk. That's a close-up, and you can see the reverse. All needlework. Chandrika Kaziranga sari. Those were 2,800. These are Kashmir needlework sari. Pink color, and the work is of blue and yes, beautiful color. The material is so flowy, fluid. You can make pleats very comfortably. It's a pure silk, so that's why the price is on a little higher side. 14,500 is the price range for these, because of the handwork with the pure material, pure silk material.
That's fine. There you go.
Hi Rima, why are you shaving your hair? Because I want to look cool like this. That's why I'm shaving my hair. Don't I look cool? Because many people have asked me, why have you shaved your hair? So I don't want anyone to be asking anyone else who shaved off their hair for any reason. So I'm trying to inspire those people who are undergoing medical treatment and they lack confidence and they can't go out of their house because they feel without hair they look ugly. I want to inspire them and then show them that how beautiful you are without your hair. So that's the prime motive, and I wanted to teach my daughter who fell in love with her long hair that you don't have to get attached with anything in life apart from your heart. Your heart should be beautiful. So that's the reason that I shaved my hair. I have got tons and tons of questions on why I did this. So I'm used to answering that question. Beautiful color. Purnima, thank you so much. I don't know, I'm just trying my bit. I mean, what's the point if you're not able to inspire somebody's life? Then what's the purpose of living our life? You're just earning, you're eating, you're sleeping, and then you'll just one day die. And nobody will remember you. So I thought, like, make a difference and inspire people so they remember when we are gone. Thank you. Thank you, Urmi. Thank you, Pushpa. I did this not because I wanted to gain sympathy or popularity. I just felt like this is the right thing to do. So I did it. And I'm very much happy about it. No regrets at all. That's all for today. I have so many collections, but I don't want to take out much of your time. And then I'll keep some for next week or maybe after that, and I'll show the Assam saris that are coming. Those are beautiful, gorgeous saris. So whoever has not saved my WhatsApp number, do save my WhatsApp number. Send me a hi. I will add your WhatsApp number. Then you can see all my WhatsApp status. Thank you so much, Purnima. It really means a lot. It means a lot, yeah. Sanchita, hello. Jaya Viswas. Hi, Kusumdi. How are you? You just joined in late. Pooja, now it's time for you to go and make tea for your guest. They must be waiting because I'm wrapping up. Bye. So this is the last sari that I'm showing. I'll upload it on my WhatsApp status. Thank you everybody for joining in and spending time with me on a Saturday, on a busy day. So thank you so much. Bye bye everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. Just save my WhatsApp number and let's continue our chat on WhatsApp. Bye bye everybody. Take care. Have a nice weekend. Bye Purnima. Lots of love to your kids. Bye bye.